Hey guys, welcome back to SR Trader. This is Shankar Rathod. I'm starting a new series of backtesting which include all backtesting videos on support resistance and triangle patterns and head and shoulder patterns and all the various pattern. So let's start with first stock. Let's go with Amara Raja batteries and I'll show you how support and resistance work on daily chart basis. I'm not going to intraday because I don't have any paid subscription for TradingView platform. I'll go with one day charts now. I'll go almost 10 years back. I am at 14th June 2013. We'll start our analysis from here and I'll continuously mark my zone of support and resistance and buy my shares. Now let's analyze Amara Raja battery stock which is trading at 250 rupees in 2013. We'll go. What I can see here is this area is acting as a major support. You can see whenever the stock comes here, it's holding there and trying to move upwards, and this area is acting as resistance. What will be my plan here is whenever the market breaches this line upside with a big candle, I'll long the market, and what will be my target is this high will be my target. It may take 1 month also, it may take 6 months also, it may take 1 year also to reach the target until it hits my stop loss. Where I'll place my stop loss is below this area, almost this. This will be my area of stop loss. If stock comes at this area and hits my stop loss and closes below, I'll exit from the trade and I'll start backtesting now. Stock is moving. Stock came to the support area and started to bounce. See this was we call it as a fake breakdown. It did not sustain lower side, right, and it again bounced back its original area where it is trading in triangle. Let's begin. What I did is, see, I told I'll take a trade after the triangle is taken out. This is a triangle, right? This is a triangle and I may be taken trade here, but next day immediately there is a selling pressure, it came downside and it may be hit my stop loss. So what I'll do is it should break the triangle and sustain above next day also, and here will be my entry around 250 levels. What was my target? See this, just see this. What was my target? 30%, almost 30% in few couple of days. This is the first triangle pattern I got. Now let's go again forward, and since this area is a major support area, I'll buy the stock when stock comes to this area. Since this area is a level of interest of buying, and I'll start my backtesting now. What we can see is Amara Raja batteries is forming a consolidation near the all-time high, and it is acting as resistance. This area is acting as resistance. What can be our plan is whenever that area is taken out, whenever this resistance area is taken out with a big candle, we may go long. We'll buy the stock there and we'll keep our stop loss below this area. We'll buy the share if and only if Amara Raja batteries is taken out the recent high, or else we'll buy the stock near support zone. It's not sustaining. Let it break with a big candle. What I did, see, the market first break here, but it did not sustain. It immediately got into selling pressure, but again second time it attempted to break the resistance and it is succeeded, and I will go long near, I would have been going long near 330 rupees, and let's run our profit. Okay, see this area was acting as resistance, right? Whenever the market went here, it started to fall, but the resistance is taken out and stock came for a retest, and I would have accumulated the stocks there. Okay, let's run our machine now again. Okay, it is struggling here, it should break. Okay, now we are in profit. See, this area is support now. This is a major support area now. 2 trades we won. Let's go to third trade. I'll buy the stock if it comes to this area of interest. Even here I can draw a trend line. This will be acting as support, and whenever the market came to this area, it started to bounce. Okay, market is exactly at support. See, this is a support area, right? What I'll do is I'll keep my stop loss below this area. I'll show you. This is my stop loss area below this low, and I'll long the market now. If it hit my stop loss, but that's okay, it's a part of a game. Yeah, we are in a huge profit now. See here, we took a trade here, right? Keeping this low as stop loss. What is the percentage return we got in few days? Almost 23%. And again, we'll draw resistance. Okay, this line is acting as resistance. This is a wedge pattern, and it has taken out the wedge pattern. And what I'll do is I'll wait for the retracement on a wedge pattern, and I'll buy again. Let's see if this works or not. I'll play now. I have long the market now. Okay, we got a support area here, and we got a retest also. I'll long the market here. Okay, stock is moving upside. Let's hold the stock until the weakness is shown. Okay, we can see a weakness here. This is a bearish engulfment pattern. We'll exit our trade there. We may have taken somewhat around 25% of profits. Okay, let's go with another pattern. Let's wait what it will form. But my major area of interest is this now. This is the major area of interest now. Okay, I'll shift it to here. Raised all the analysis that we have done right now, and we'll start freshly with this area is acting as resistance for Amara Raja batteries. This line is acting as resistance, and this line is acting as support. Okay, this line is acting as support. What is my area of interest is this is a support right now. This is a major support for Amara Raja batteries, and we'll long only if and this line is acting as resistance. We'll only long if this resistance is taken out. And let's run. Okay, it's struggling at resistance. See this, as and when the market crossed this area, I may have gone long there, and I'll again book my profits here. This line is acting as resistance, right? I'll book my profits there. And what will be our next entry? This area will be our support now. Market stayed here, right? Market wandered at this level. This will be our support now. And let's start. Let's extend this line. Okay, we can see a trend line here. This is a trend line, and this is the resistance area. This lower line is a support area. We'll run the software again. See, I can see a resistance line here. It is forming a triangle pattern over here. See, I can see a triangle pattern here, and if this triangle pattern is taken out upside, I'll go long in this stock. Let's run. Okay, no, okay, I can see a failure of a triangle pattern here, or else I have to adjust my line here. See, this was a trend line. This can act as support now, and we can see a nice triangle right now. I'll run the software again, and if the triangle is taken out, I'll long the Amara Raja batteries. See here, market did not form a big green candle and broke the triangle. Instead, it formed a big red candle and broke the triangle downside. So what is the area of interest of buying of mine is, the next support will be around this area. We may think a bounce from here. Stop loss is below this swing, and our target is all-time high. And let's run our software now. Okay, it started to move upside. We may hit our target soon. Okay, it's near to our stop loss. Again, it reversed back. This line is acting as resistance. Okay, the resistance is also taken out. It is almost 3 months now. We are in profits. It's almost 4 months. We took trade in April. It's July. Okay, I can see a big resistance over here. If this area is taken out, it will give a big blast upside, and this area, wait, I'll draw it. This area is acting as support. What I'll do is I'll add more stocks on this area. I'll add more stock, and I'll wait. My stop loss of those stocks will be below this area, so that I can maximize my profit. I'll start the trade now again. Okay, yeah, our analysis is correct. Our analysis was correct. See here, as and when market broke this resistance with a good volume, it suddenly started to move at all-time high again. So how much percentage we got? Almost we took a trade around this level, right? Okay, almost 20% in 4 to 5 months, around 5 months. So this is the trade that I will take if I was trading at that time in 2016. Okay, let's run again. Okay, what will be our analysis now? See, wait, we missed it. Okay, I'll just explain. See, okay, I'll just explain. This was acting as all-time high, and it will definitely act as resistance, right? It broke the all-time resistance and came for a retest. This area was previously acting as resistance, this area, and now when the price is approaching from upside, it will definitely act as support, right? And as and when market fell to this area, there are so many buyers who are interested to buy Amara Raja batteries, and there is increase in demand, and price move again all-time high. This is the first back testing that I have done for you. You can do it for yourself also by applying replay button in TradingView app. But what is important here is you should know the basic knowledge of price action and technical analysis. See, price action is not very difficult. It's the people's emotion, and it's the area of buying interest. See, some area has buying interest. See here, market was taking support here so many times. As and when market came to this area, it started to bounce, and this area was acting resistance, this upper line. And as and when market broke that area, it started to move upside very rapidly, and that indicates the people's interest. See, this was acting as resistance, As and when market broke that structure, it started to move. This is the first back testing I have done. I'll do on different patterns. First, this is the basic knowledge that I am explaining, and so many members will not know what's happening there. Backtesting word is self-explanatory, and if you guys support, I'll come with more videos like this on backtesting, on many structures and patterns. I did a just basic backtesting. I'll go with all separate videos one by one if you guys support. And thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.